Hey everybody, it's Ali Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com. Now, before we get into this deep dive of Universal Studios Orlando, make sure you click the follow, subscribe, and the notification bell. That way you get notified every time we post another video. Let's get to it. Universal Orlando Resort. Let's get a deep dive in that. Let's talk about it. Universal Orlando Resort has three main theme parks. It has Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure, and Volcano Bay. Each park has their own attractions, entertainment, and dining options. Knowing what you're looking for when going to a theme park can really help you decide which parks to go to and which parks to miss. So, let's start off with Universal Studios. Now, most tend to think that when you say Universal, you're talking about the specific Universal Studios. But it's important to note that this is an encompassing term and can refer to all the parks at Universal, not just Universal Studios. So, Universal Studios opened in 1990 and is the oldest of the three Universal parks. Sitting on 125 acres of land, guests can find and immerse themselves into multiple movies and shows. Universal Orlando includes 8 areas: Hollywood, Production Central, New York, San Francisco, Springfield, Woody Woodpecker's Kid Zone, World Expo, and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Diagon Alley. Some of the main attractions at Universal Studios are Transformers, the ride 3D, The Simpsons ride, Men in Black, Alien Attack, Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem, and Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. For dining, Universal has 2 main full-service restaurants and multiple quick-service restaurants. The 2 full-service restaurants are Lombard Seafood Grill and Finnegan's Bar and Grill. If you go to Finnegan's Bar and Grill, get the corned beef and cabbage sandwich. I get it every time I go to Universal Studios. It is the best. Now, if you want a quick service, we recommend Leaky Cauldron, the main restaurant located within Diagon Alley. This restaurant immerses guests into the books and movies of the Harry Potter series. From decor to dishes, even those that aren't familiar with the franchise will be in awe. Now, while you're in Diagon Alley, if you choose to eat somewhere other than the Leaky Cauldron, try stopping by either the Hopping Pot or the Fountain of Fair Fortune so you can try out the delicious Butterbeer. Butterbeer is a staple treat for Universal and is family friendly for all ages. Butterbeer comes in 4 different options: cold, frozen, soft serve ice cream, or hot, a seasonal option. We recommend trying out the cold one for first timers, but the frozen one is definitely our favorite. At Universal, you'll also find parades featuring characters from your favorite shows and movies. And during events and festivals, you can see even more extravagant parades, such as Universal's Holiday Parade featuring Macy's and Universal's Mardi Gras Parade. Just before park close, stay late to see Universal Orlando Cinematic Celebration, a water and firework display. Islands of Adventure was built in 1999 on roughly 110 acres of land. Islands of Adventure has multiple islands featuring different worlds that guests can move between throughout their day. There are 8 islands: Port of Entry, the Lost Continent, Seuss Landing, Toon Lagoon, Jurassic Park, Skull Island, Marvel Superhero Island, and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Hogsmeade. To most people's disbelief, Islands of Adventure is actually home to Marvel Superhero Island. Yep, Marvel. Here, guests can feel like they stepped right into the Marvel comics. There are character shows and encounters that take place in Marvel Superhero Island and can allow guests to really feel connected to it all. Some of the rides in Islands of Adventure are Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls, The Cat in the Hat, Skull Island, Reign of Kong, Jurassic World Velocicoaster, awesome, The Incredible Hulk Coaster, the first coaster to ever make me feel dizzy, The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man, and Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. At Islands of Adventure, there's bound to be a ride for everyone. Now, for dining, there's several options throughout the park. Similar to Universal, there's 2 main full-service restaurants amongst multiple quick-service locations. The 2 main restaurants within Islands of Adventure are Mythos Restaurant and Confisco Grill. Mythos Restaurant is a beautifully constructed restaurant and has won countless awards for being the world's best theme park restaurant, an award not given lightly. The restaurant gives amazing service and delicious food. Definitely one to try if you're going to Islands of Adventure. As for quick service locations, Islands of Adventure is home to the 3 Broomsticks located right in the heart of Hogsmeade. Guests can dine in 3 Broomsticks and enjoy a delicious butterbeer during their stay. The menu consists of delicious English classics. You're sure to feel right in the story of Harry Potter. For that extra bit of magic, before the park closes at Islands of Adventure, visit Hogsmeade to catch the nighttime lights at Hogwarts Castle. This show consists of a beautiful light show displayed on Hogwarts along with fireworks. And finally, Universal's Volcano Bay. Volcano Bay is Universal's very own water theme park featuring the Krakatoa volcano at the heart of it. Opened in 2017, it is brand spanking new and spanning 27 acres. Guests can enjoy the warm Florida sun and relax on the sand to unwind during their vacation. Volcano Bay has multiple options for guests to enjoy themselves. Whether you're wanting to sun soak, drift in the lazy river, ride adventurous water rides, or just enjoy swimming in the water, there's something for everyone. Some of the rides at Volcano Bay are Kala and Tainui Serpentine Body Slides, Punga Racers, Honu Ika Moana, Ko'okiri Body Plunge, and the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster. One of the best rides at Volcano Bay, in our opinion, is the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster. Guests can sit 4 to 1 canoe as they wind through Krakatoa. Volcano Bay is home to the Ko'okiri Body Plunge, a 125-foot tall drop that drops guests at a 70-degree fall through a drop door. Here's one thing you're not going to see on that slide. Meat. For dining, guests can choose to eat at Bamboo, the Feasting Frog, or at Waka Waiwai Eats. Each location has their own style of foods, ranging from chef-crafted burgers to poke bowls, to Hawaiian pizza. And yes, Hawaiian pizza is delicious. Pineapples do belong on pizza. Guests can feel like they really are in a tropical oasis. If you're looking for drinks, Volcano Bay has 2 bars, Dancing Dragons Boat Bar and Kanuku Boat Bar, both equipped with specialty frozen drinks and cocktails, allowing guests to unwind and enjoy their day. While one might think that buying food or shopping while at a water park might cause a lot of hassle, Universal has created a Tapu Tapu wristband that guests are given to wear upon entry to Volcano Bay. This allows guests to connect their Tapu Tapu to their Universal app and use the method of payment on the file to purchase things throughout the day. That way phones and wallets can stay in the locker. Who knew? Another thing that Universal's Volcano Bay offers is private cabana rentals. That way, if you're wanting to feel a little more secluded, want to have your own private area, you can. Cabana rentals include your own private cabana, padded lounge chairs, concierge service, ooh, somebody's bougie, complimentary fruit and snack basket, towels, locker service, and an exclusive menu of food and drinks delivered right to your cabana. Having your own private cabana will make your stay feel all the more relaxing. All right, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.